Got it your next level toaster, foodie flipper toaster. Something very unique, really big and wide. So for long breads and things like that, there's a cover. So the only assembly required is this handle right here. Super easy. So there you go, regular toaster, flip this down, toaster oven. How cool is that? So now you don't need to have both. You can just flip it forward, tip it over, and there you go. You just have to push it this way, that's it. So we have 2 pieces of bread right here, fits well. I'll put a bunch of cheese on it, see what happens. Okay, to get oven going, you press that, then you can flip it down and adjust the time. So let's do 3:30, I guess. Okay, then we can put this in. And then we press start. Well, I guess this one is started for 10 minutes. Looking pretty good whenever it's plugged in. It does look like a little toaster oven. Okay, we'll see what happens. I hope it doesn't shoot it out. You know, if this presses it, I guess that's why you want to lock it in. So you just pull it out. There's bacon cooking charts, but you know, once you use it, you can learn it and figure it out even better. Wow, it's doing super well. We're gonna plug it back in. Look, it stopped automatically and it started automatically. Let's pull it again. Yeah, it paused. Look, we look at it, put it back in, the timer went back up. Did it? Yeah, it did. Wow, that's amazing. That's one of a kind toaster oven. I cannot believe it. And look at that cheese and bread. It's toasting it well and catches all the cheese. Beautiful. I think it's pretty much done. Maybe a little bit longer. Restarts by itself. So I guess you can press it here and restart it and turn it off. Now you have grilled cheese. Very nice, that's for sure. Really hot. Grilled cheese. Oh yeah.